This hair, do you see it? Like it's everything. I don't even know what to say. I can't even say anything. I can't even say one bad thing about it. I absolutely love this hair. Hi everyone, miss me? Do you like this hair? I cannot wait to show you how I styled this hair from a company called Papaya Hair. They sent me their human hair U-Part wig. It's glueless and it came in a 16-inch and it's body wave. The color is black, 1B. I cannot wait to show you all how I style this hair. It is simply gorgeous. It's very soft, it's very full, it's very smooth. I'm gonna jump right into it, so keep on watching. I found a whole bunch of bobby pins in the bathroom store. Let me first show you all how the unit looks. It is a U-Part wig. Again, I've done U-Part wigs on my channel before, but I've only done about 1 or 2. So this one will be another one. And I love U-Part wigs because they are very easy to style. You just leave a portion of your hair out. This is about, I would say, 2 to 3 inches of hair that I'm leaving out, and then everything else is braided and it's gonna go under the U-Part wig. And here is how the wig looks. See, I think I blew it out. I think I blew my hair out pretty good. But that's how the wig looks up close. It's very wavy, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to clip the front parts off of the U-Part wig. The 2 straps in the front, I'm gonna cut them off. Then I'm gonna blend my hair in the front, obviously, with the wig. Oh, and this one has the clips that I like. I like the clips that are like, you know, clips like these. I'm gonna put them on the screen. I'll show you. It's like these kinds of clips because I feel like it allows the hair to adhere better. I'm gonna open all of them up. You can put a wig cap on if you want, but I usually don't put a wig cap on simply because I feel like if I put a wig cap on, it's not going to really allow me to work with the hair, especially like I would have to cut the cap and all of that, so that's gonna kind of get annoying. There is a clip also in the back, along with the 4 clips on the front. It fits pretty snug. Oh, and there's also combs on the side too. Definitely a score. And I'm definitely gonna curl this hair just so it all will blend together. I'm also gonna get the hot comb just so I can get these sides down, and I am now going to curl the hair and then blend my hair with the curls that are gonna come. It's gonna look really pretty, and this hair is super soft, so I'm gonna definitely speed a lot of this up because it's gonna get repetitive. So when I curl my hair, I'm gonna take this section of hair and a little bit smaller like this. And this is gonna go up. How many clips do I have here? Where are all my clips? Oh, this one I have here. So when I curl my hair, I'm gonna show you guys how I curl my hair with a flat iron, which I've done whole tutorials on here on my channel. It's very easy. All I do is just take the section, this, pass it through. And then when I get towards the end, I flip it and very, very slowly glide the flat iron through the hair. And then when I get towards the end, I just keep on turning the flat iron just in case I miss any parts. And then let it go. See? And then that's how the curl. And now, I want the curl to last, so I'm gonna just basically pin it up till it fully dries. And now I want the curls to last, so I'm just gonna like pin curl it and hold it with a bobby pin, which is why I was running all around the house looking for all of my bobby pins. Now, I'm gonna do this one, this section, the same thing. You can make the sections really small or really big depending on how you want the curls to come out. Again, I'm gonna take the flat iron, this. I combed out the hair prior, so I don't have to keep on recombing each section. If you want the waves to look more like body waves, I guess, you can just pass the flat iron through it faster. Or if you're using a curling iron, that works too. This one's a little bit bigger, which is fine. Maybe I'll make them a little bit smaller. Like I could have probably did 3 sections instead of just 2. But it's fine. I'll see how it looks when it's done. Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna speed this part up. I'm gonna work through the rest of the hair and show you how it looks when it's all pin curled. Okay, so now, the back here, just working my way through. Okay, I'm just finishing up this last side. Then, this hair is so incredibly soft, as you can see. It is so freaking soft. It's crazy. And it was super easy to curl. Like curling it was so fast and easy. Let's move these ends. Now what I'm gonna do is just also curl the top, and I'm also going to fast forward most of this because it's basically me doing the same thing that I did throughout the rest of my hair. I'm done. Now I'm gonna get the sides of my hair, especially like right here and right here, with my hot comb, just so it all like blends together. All right, perfect. Now let me just let the curls cool for a little bit, and then I'm gonna be right back. And like flowy and bouncy. I love U-Part Wig. They are so gorgeous. They just are. If you've never gotten a U-Part wig, you must try a U-Part wig. Okay. I have a little bit of oil in my hands. And put it there. Put it throughout some of these curls. My own hair. And tell me these curls do not look stunning. Like, just tell me. Pretty much got all of the bobby pins out, but you can open them up more if you want, but I pretty much like them. I like mine like this. I think they look really, really pretty. Just like this. And that's it. All in all, I love this hair. I love this style. It's amazing. It blends so well with my own natural hair. I cannot say enough good things about this U-Part wig, so let me wrap this video up. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Papaya Hair. I will link everything in the description box down below, so make sure you check them out. Check them out on social media, as well as this U-Part wig. They do have a lot of different wigs on their website. They have wigs, they have U-Part wigs like the one I'm wearing. Make sure you check them out. Thank you all so much again for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video and try a new hairstyle. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below, have you heard of U-Part wigs? Do you like U-Part wigs? What kind of hairstyles or summer hairstyles do you like? Let me know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out a lot and I really, really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me as well as my brand, the Lux Princess, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload 3 days a week, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye, guys.